for you to know that there is no way you can excel in a thing you have not learned. Somebody will sit down somewhere and say, you see, Bishop didn't go to Bible school. You must be having a problem. I went to a school, the kind that if you go, you will equally excel. I went to learn from those who knew and approved that they know how to go about ministry. Now, called to build a university, good. But how is a great university built? Go and learn from great universities that are already great and have been great for centuries. So I went to Harvard, gathered all materials I could gather from the net, and studied their 366 years of history. Then, when I came out of that study, I had higher degrees than anybody from Harvard. I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying. Now I went to Princeton, studied Columbus, studied Cambridge, Oxford. There is no way I could have gone to all those schools in my life. But I could learn from all the available documents, all the available papers, all the available theses, the things that made them great. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Many people know where they are going. They don't care how to get there. They'll say, someday we'll get there. I know we'll get there. No, not this way. I know we get there. No, not this way. I know we get there. And they keep guessing and guessing until they goof. You don't need it. We are going to start a Bible school to 1986. Now, by 1985, we've started checking out the various Bible schools that existed in the country. And I discovered after going through 8 of them, we traveled physically, drove to 8 of them, collected all the materials, asked all the questions, and I discovered a fundamental problem. They could not define their reason for existence. They could not define it. So that tells me the first thing to do is to be able to define what is this Bible school supposed to produce. And bless God today, we have over 200,000 people that have gone through our Bible school. We have never looked for anybody to come there. It took a long time to prepare. It's one thing to know where you are going. It's another thing to know how to get there. The problem here with us in this age of visions is that people just see they have a vision and they keep running. They don't care whether how to run and how best to make it. They just keep running and running until they are worn out. How to. It's so important. How to. I know prosperity is God's plan, but I needed to know how to enter into it. I want to enter into it. I don't want to be a tout, showing people where it is. Lord, show me the secret. I want to experience it. I went after it. It's one thing to know what you need. It's another thing to know how to get it.